Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make corn dog, very yummy snack for your kids, and you will love it. Your kids will love it. So keep watching, don't go away, and you are highly welcome. Let's dive into it. First, I have my sausage. So the first thing I do is to cut my sausage into two parts. Cut yours depending on the quantity or the size of corn dog you would like to have. So I'll cut my sausage into two parts. Hello, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning, and thanks to my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support. So next, I have my sticks. So the next thing I do is to cut the sticks into two parts because it's too long for the corn dog. So after cutting it into two parts, the next thing I do is to take my time to fix the stick into the sausage, exactly what you see me do on this screen. Hello all my genuine subscribers, thanks for your wonderful support. And if you've not tried this very recipe, this corn dog, please, after watching this video, give it a try. Your kids will love you. This snack is so yummy, so delicious. Even adults will not stop eating it. You won't stop eating it. You will long to eat it every day, everyone. Believe me and give it a try, and give me your feedback at the comment section down below. So after this step, the next thing is to in a very clean mixing bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour after sieving, 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of corn flour, then half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, add according to your taste, 1 cup of sugar. Then mix to combine. Mix the dry ingredients to combine very well. Mix to combine very well. Well, we are making corn dog everyone very yummy snack for your kids. Next, I'll add 1 cup of full cream milk. Everyone, add yours depending on the quantity of corn dog you want to make. Then 1 fresh egg, and continue to mix or whisk to combine. If you have a hand mixer, very good. If you don't have a hand mixer, do what I do. All right, we are making corn dog. It's a snack, kid friendly snack, everyone. Adults will love it. So I mix this to become fluffy, exactly what you see me do on the screen. Mix till you get this consistency. Mix until you get this consistency, not too light, not too thick. Okay, so I'll set that aside. Here, the next thing I do is to sieve some flour, all-purpose flour, in a very clean tray. And then after sieving the quantity I would want, the next thing I do is to roll all the sausage in it. Hello, if you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscription button down below and turn on the notification bell to get notification whenever new videos are updated on this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video to your friends and family, everyone. And thanks my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support always. And if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to watch the ads also. So this is the next step. After rolling the sausage in a dry flour, the next thing is to roll it in your already mixed dough. So when my pan gets hot, the next thing I do is to roll and put inside the oil step by step. Fry on a medium heat. fry this on a medium heat, everyone, and don't go away, stay by so it doesn't get burnt. And once it turns golden brown, it's ready. Try this, everyone. You will love it. Your kids will love you every day, everyone. It's a very yummy snack for your kids, especially now kids are on holiday here. And it's also a very good snack for school. It's school snack, everyone. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so, and share my video if you have the ability to do so. So once it turns golden brown, it's ready, everyone. And after frying all, this is our corn dog. This is what it comes out to look like. It's very yummy if you eat this. I ate it and I long to make it every day. All right, thanks all my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support, and thanks all my returnees for returning back. And if you're new, thanks for coming. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.